How to choose which windows to add to your home. If you want the biggest return on investment to your East Hampton, New York home's window installation, you'll need the best double-hung windows for the job. Consider these factors to get the best value. Trust a reliable supplier with a highly experienced team and a solid reputation for delivering excellence in windows. This way, you'll avoid mistakes, errors, and oversights, ultimately saving you months of correction time and thousands of dollars in corrections. With your home's architecture in mind, decide which style window will complement it the best. You'll find certain types of windows or doors fit better with different styles of homes, like double hungs in a colonial or large multi-slide doors in a new modern design. Consider only the highest quality materials for your frames. Premium windows never come in vinyl options. Instead, you want them thermally broken aluminum, steel, or architectural bronze. You can also find premium options with all wood or clad wood doors and windows. They should be solid and not full of hollow channels. You can discover this by looking at section details or asking to see a corner cut sample before making a purchasing decision. Energy efficiency and performance are crucial factors in window selection. For the best results, consider products with higher performance grades and design pressure ratings. Different glazing options can be considered to keep your home's interior comfortable. You'll also want to evaluate the dealer's team and the expertise they bring. More professional dealerships will have an updated showroom, but most importantly, highly experienced personnel with a meticulous process to walk you through every stage of a difficult, customized order. Lastly, factor into your decision the options based on warranties. A reputable manufacturer will stand behind their products with a rock-solid guarantee. They won't hide behind warranty verbiage for their quality control and performance deficiencies. When you need a window supplier to get the job done right the first time in East Hampton, New York, turn to Rockman Windows Doors. Call us today at 914-909-9430 to schedule a consultation.